Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Volkswagen Jetta Comfortline, stock reference number 5235. The shape runs from the second month 2011 through to the 12th month 2017. It has a CTHD 1.4 litre supercharged, turbocharged petrol engine backed by an RCQ automatic front wheel drive transmission. CTHD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. With the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.